So next we have is the Giga Algo smart money concepts. We are going to go through all the options and see how they all work. First we have is the smart money mode. We have two types of modes. First one is the VOB, that is the volumetric order block, and the other one is the S&R, that is the smart support and resistance levels. So this is the VOB mode. Now I have selected S&R, and let's click OK. So this is the S&R mode, that is the support and resistance levels. You see how the market creates support and resistance zones. So we have a resistance here, the market was rejected. We have resistance here, here, and we have support here, again resistance here. So again a support level here. So whenever the market breaks the support level, so we had the support here, the market found resistance at this zone and the market went down. So this support zone was listed as break of structure, that is the BOS. And when the market fell down, we found support here, and this was the resistance level. Market broke it, we had the BOS for the resistance. And so these are the volume zones. So if the market tries to go down, we'll have a volume zone here, which is a green support volume. So it will bounce back up, find resistance, which is the resistance volume. So we are currently in a range. So let's see how the volumetric order blocks work. Alright, it's loading. Alright, so we have these are the smart money VOB mode, that is the volumetric order block. So we have the volume, and let me clear the drawings here. So we have this huge volume here, and the zone is red. So this zone was red, so the market reversed. Again we have this huge volume zone here. So this is the volumetric data here, and the percentage represents how much is the pressure here, how much of the selling volume we can expect. Anything above 10% is a considerable amount. So a 13% volume here is pretty considerable. 67% we have huge volume at this level. So the red zones, they are the resistance levels, and the green zones, they are the support levels. So we have the green support levels here. We also have a 44% support level here. So a huge support at this level. So this is how we can find support and resistance zones within our chart. We also have the change of character. If the price breaks the resistance zone, or the change of character if the price breaks the support zone, right? So again we have the break of structure, and yeah, we will talk more in depth in the upcoming videos. So this was the smart money mode. Next we're gonna talk about is the price sensitivity, and how we can change the price sensitivity and find the reversal zones in a better way, right?